Hello students, continue with business statistic class. Today we are going to learn last method of this chapter is estimated value then find given value. See the students here, find the two regression lines x bar, y bar and correlation of coefficient using this data given below. Here two types of data is given value and estimated value. Here two value of x and two value of y and two value of y and two value of x is given. Now we calculate for two regression line. See here we directly find out the byx and bxy. The formula of byx is difference of two estimated value here first y, then same as difference of two estimated value of x. Here estimated value of y, see the estimated value of y is given 34 minus 22. Here 34 minus 22 upon difference of two estimated value of y means 10 and 20. First is 20 minus 10. Here 34 minus 22 is 12 upon 10. We got 1.2 byx. See, byx is 1.2. Same as we find bxy. The formula is sum here. Difference of two estimate value of, here first place is x, same as difference of two estimate value of x. Sorry, second place is y means y. Now same as here, first of all we take this value. After byx we can take second value. Here first 23 minus 17 upon 50 minus 30. 23 minus 17 is 6 upon 20 is equal to 0.3. Here the value of pxy is 0.3. We got byx and bxy. Now we directly go to regression line of y on x and x on y. second regression line x minus x bar bxy y minus y bar. See the students, one important thing is here. In this particular method of regressions, x bar and y bar is not needed. Here we calculate the regression line. Out of that we got x bar and y bar. Here the value of y and x is given. See, so many different value x and y is given. First two box for byx and second two box for bxy. Then start from here. Y is given. How many? 22. Y bar is not given. Byx is 1.2. X is given. See the student, here y is 22, then you put 10, nothing 20. If you use 34, then you use 20. If you use 22, then use 10. Here 10 minus x bar. 22 minus y bar. 1.2 multiplied with 10 is 12 minus x bar. Here we got the value of y bar, but the equation made y bar is equal to 12 minus 22 minus x bar. Sorry, here multiplied with 1.2 is remaining 1.2 x bar and 1.2 x bar. Here minus y bar, the cut is minus 10 minus 1.2 x bar. See the students, here all the sign is minus and here this also is minus. Then take it common, minus y bar is equal to 1.2x plus 10. Here we got first regression line of Vyx, but here we got x bar and y bar in terms. Same as another way, here is x, but see the students, here data use is 2, here x means 17, x bar is not given, byx is 0.3, y is used 30 minus y bar. 17 minus x bar multiplied with this means 0.3 multiplied with 3 is 9 and minus 0.3 y bar minus x bar 9 minus 17 minus 0.3 y bar. X bar is equal to, here cut from 8 is minus 8 minus 0.3 y bar, take it minus sign common, 0.3 y bar plus 8. Both regression line we got. Now we finally got the value of x bar and y bar. Then we use both equations for finding out x bar and y bar. See the students, In that we can arrange the first of all in our regular method of fraction मीन्स ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો આપણે પહેલા આ બે ઇક્વેશન ને આપણા અવયવના ઇક્વેશન પ્રમાણે ગોઠવવા પડશે. ધ્યાન સી 1.2x here minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Same as 0.3 y bar minus x bar plus 8 is equal to 0. But it is not proper way. Then 1.2x bar minus y bar is equal to minus 10. It is our proper mode. Same as here also we can convert it all in opposite side. X bar minus 0.3y is equal to 8. Now we arranged in proper mode both the equations, but in equation number 2 multiplied with 1.2, then both are same. Now 1.2x bar minus y bar is equal to minus 10. Arrange 1.2x bar minus 1.2 multiplied with 0.3 is 0.36. Y bar is equal to 8 multiplied 1.2 is 9.6. See here we write 1 y bar. Here no 1, then 1 is written. Now sign change. Here is both cut. Here minus 1 out of 0.36 is cut, then minus 0.64 is remaining. Here minus 10 and minus 9.6, that is minus 19.6. Both side minus sign is present, that's why it is converted into positive. Y is equal to 19.6 upon 0.64 and y bar is equal to 30.625. Now we put the value of y bar in equation number 2, or you may say equation number here. Put y bar is equal to 30.625 x bar minus 0.3 30.625 is equal to 8. X bar minus 0.3 multiplied 30.625 is 9.188 is equal to 8. Now x bar is equal to 8 plus 9.188. X bar is equal to 8 plus 9.188 is 17.188. We got both x bar and y bar. See the students, here also we find correlation of regression are 1.2 multiplied with 0.3. It's called also regression coefficient, means R. અહીંયા આપણે y on x ની લાઈનમાંથી 1.2 અને x on y ની લાઈનમાંથી 0.3 મેળવીને R means correlation of coefficient find કરી શકશું. Itself, students, at last you people finding the R using of 1.2 and 0.3. It's your part to find the correlation regression R.